Hello, how is everyone doing? Today, I'm going to show you how to prevent direct access shortcuts from being created on our Android phone's home screen. Although we have these applications within the menu or application drawer, every time we install a new application from the Google Play Store, it will not create a shortcut for us to access from here. However, if you do not want to go through the hassle of deleting them one by one, I'm going to teach you how to delete all these accesses and prevent them from being automatically generated. First, we will press for a few seconds on any empty space on the phone screen, and then we will go to where it says Home Screen Settings. Then, we will access where it says Home Screen Style, which is normally configured with the option of the application tray that we access by swiping the screen and seeing all the installed applications. The other available option that does not show here is to open the applications directly from the home screen, as we see here. We will have all the installed applications on our phone without an application drawer or application tray. To fix this, we will return to the screen configuration menu and tap on Application Tray, as we normally had it, and then we will enter this little wheel or gear to see more configuration options. Here we can see an option that says Add Icons to the home screen, and we simply deactivate it. Now, when we return to the phone's home screen and swipe, it will not show anything because the accesses were automatically removed. Depending on the phone version you have, this may be deleted automatically or you will have to do it manually with each of the accesses available on the screen. There are other models that already allow you to delete a second or third screen created from these same options, but in my case, it is not available. Now, let's download another application. Look for a lightweight one, and wait for it to download. We will be able to confirm that the application was installed, but no direct access shortcut was created on the phone's home screen. This is how we can remove and deactivate the option so that direct access shortcuts are not created on the phone's home screen every time we install applications from the Google Play Store. So, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from Balmatech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!